Welcome guys, you are watching Farooq Multi Technical YouTube channel and I am engineer Farooq Ahmed. Friends, today I will rewind a transformer of UPS which core size is 2 inch by 2 inch. Its bobbin size is 2 inch by 2 inch. You are watching the bobbin size is 2 inch by 2 inch. Now I will discuss its winding data. Friends, I have written UPS transformer 2 by 2 inch core size and its primary winding data is first loop will come out 160 volts. This is the starting point, 0 volt, called 0 volt, or you can say common wire. The start point of winding is this. After 288 turns, the 160 volt loop will come out. Then after 36 turns, we will make a 180 volt loop, then 200 volt, then 220 volts, and last 245 volts. The primary winding, these are voltage range and these are turns of voltage. These all turns will rewind with 19 SWG wire. This primary winding wire gauge is 19 SWG wire. And now we will discuss the secondary winding. Its secondary winding is 12 volt plus 12 volt. First 12 volt loop will make after 21 turns, and then again we will rewind 21 turns for next 12 volts. The secondary winding gauge, wire gauge, is 11 SWG. 11 standard wire gauge will use for secondary winding. Now we rewind the bobbin with the machine and we will show how to rewind it. Friends, I have fixed the bobbin on transformer rewinding machine. If you don't have winding machine, don't worry, you can rewind it with by hands. Now I am rewinding the transformer with the manual simple transformer winding machine. It is not automatic, but it is a manual machine. So I have fixed the bobbin. Now I will start the 19 SWG wire gauge for the primary winding. Friends, this is the start of 19 SWG wire. The first end of 19 SWG wire we have put in the bobbin, and now we will fix it in the bobbin and we will start. Now you can see this is the common wire, which is called common wire. It is the common wire, that is the start of transformer. Now we fix the wire in the bobbin and then we start. Now we are starting with 19 SWG wire. You can see now the first layer of wire is completed. Note it, we will cover the winding with paper after every layer you will must use the paper layer for safety of winding. Now we will start for a second layer. This is the 19 SWG wire. Now we are starting for second layer. The second layer is completed. Now the third layer is started. Friends, third layer is completed now. Now we will cover with paper. Now the fourth layer is started. Fourth layer is completed now. Friends, the fifth layer is started. Friends, note it. There are 60 turns in each layer. Now, in this point, our 288 turns are completed, or 160 volts. Now we will make here a loop which is called first loop, and for 160 volts I have make the first loop after 288 turns, which is used for 160 volts. Okay, now I will tape here and then I will start for the next loop. Now I am starting for next second loop. Next 36 turns. Friends, after 36 turns I have made the second loop. You can see this is the first loop and this one is the second loop. After first 36 turns. Now I will tape here and then we will start for the next loop. Now we will rewind the second 36 turns. Here 36 turns are completed. Third loop, first, second, and this one is the third loop. Friends, now we have made the third loop. After 36 turns we have made the third loop. You can see after 36 turns I have made a loop which is the third loop. Now I will tape here and then we will start for the next loop. Now I am starting for next fourth loop. Now 36 turns are completed. Now we will make the fourth loop. First, second, third, and now we will make fourth loop. Here. Friends, I have made here the fourth loop after 36 turns. Now I will make the last loop after next 36 turns. Friends, now I am starting for the next 36 turns, and we will make the last loop for 245 volts. Now I am starting for the last loop. Now here we will make the last loop after 36 turns, which is used for 245 volts. Friends, we have completed the primary winding. Now I will show you which loop is after turns. You can see this is the start point of our primary winding, which is called the common wire, and this one is the common wire. This is the starting point, and then we have make 280 turns. After 280 turns, we make the first loop for 160 volts, which is this one, first loop. Then we make 36 turns for the second loop, which is 180 volts. Then we make again 36 turns for 200 volts, which is this one, third loop, which is this one, third loop. Then we make again 36 turns and get 220 volts, the fourth loop. This one is the fourth loop after 36 turns, and which is for 220 volts. Then last we make 36 turns and get 245 volts loop, which is the last loop. This one is the last loop. After 36 turns, we make 245 volts loop. Now we will start secondary winding. I will show you. Friends, before the starting of secondary winding, you will must use here number 10 lathrite paper. Number 10 lathrite paper must use here, because the secondary winding makes heat, which is damage the primary. So for safety, you must use here number 10 lathrite paper, which is used in motor winding. Friends, now we are starting the secondary winding. You can see we are starting secondary winding with 11 SWG wire. This is the first end of 11 SWG wire. Now we will complete here 21 turns of 11 SWG wire. Now we are making winding by hands because the wire is heavy. Now we are using 11 SWG wire for secondary winding, 12 volt plus 12 volts. Those friends still have not subscribed our channel, so I request you, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for next informative video, and must share this video with your friends. Friends, now 21 turns are completed for first 12 volts. Now we will make loop here. Now we will make center loop of this wire for the next 12 volts. Now we will use a layer of paper for safety of winding. Secondary winding, first layer must insulate by the second loop, second layer. Now we have started second 12 volts winding. Now we have started second 12 volts winding. Friends, here 21 turns are completed for next 12 volts. Now we cut here the wire and we will use the sleeve for safety wire. Yes, now you can see we have started here for 21 turns. After 21 turns we use this loop, it's called center loop. Then again we make 21 turns for the next loop, and we will read here 12 volts and 12 volts for the inverter. Now our transformer winding is completed. Now friends, those friends they have not subscribed our channel, I request you must subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for the next informative video. Now we will use here paper and completely insulate. Now we complete the paper side. Now we complete a layer of paper for safety wire from the core. Friends, you can see I have briefed the primary winding again first. Now I have completed the secondary winding. You can see this winding for 12 volts plus 12 volts. Now we have started here start point, and after 21 turns this one point which is called center loop, this is a center loop, and then again we rewind 21 turns and we get second loop for next 12 volts. Now we can read here 12 volts here and 12 volts here, 12 volts plus 12 volts.